Hi ATPF friends, my name is Terrence Patridge. I'm really excited about the Meet the Instrument series with the San Diego Symphony. I watched a great video with Rose Lombardo, the principal flutist with the San Diego Symphony. In an orchestra, the principal is the leader of a section of instruments. Miss Lombardo is very talented and is the leader of the flute section of the symphony. Do you remember what family of instruments the flute belongs to? Miss Lombardo said flutes are in the woodwind family. The flute sounds can really change a lot. The notes can be high or low. The sound of the flute can make you feel very peaceful or very excited, depending on how they are played. When Miss Lombardo talked about Peter and the Wolf by the composer Sergei Prokofiev, she said the flute's character was a bird. Can you hear how the flute could sound like a bird? I sure did. And I know that sound very well because of my 3 chatty parakeets. Keep enjoying flute music and other woodwind instruments. Bye ATPF friends. See you soon.